So hey Goz Squad, welcome to my channel. Today my name is Eke Itozie. I'm going in with the Davies brown brow pencil for my brows, and to prime my eyes I'm using the NYX jumbo pencil in milk. This tutorial is a one palette eyeshadow look. So the palette that I'm using today is House of Tara Margaret Ipu palette. I'm picking up the yellow shade in the palette. They're all matte eyeshadows, and I'm placing that yellow in the upper part of my eyes, and then just below the yellow I went in with the green and just packed it on really lightly and tried as much as I could to blend that out. For my lid, I'm going back in with the NYX jumbo pencil again, and I'm using that to carve out my lid area and prepare it for the color I'm going to be using on my lid. And for my lid, I'll be mixing these two blue colors together, and I'm just patting them on my lid. Now that that's done, I'm going in with the Just Gold black liquid liner. Draw a wing, a really simple wing. It wasn't nothing too dramatic. And when that wig is done, I'm going to give the look a bit of drama by going in with a glitter. This is the Balloon glitter, and this is in it's a gold glitter, so I just use that in making a line just between my crease color and my lid color. I went ahead to do my foundation and all the other things off camera, and I'm going for my under eye. I'm going back in to the NYX jumbo pencil, and I'm just using that to line my under eye and also prepare for the color I intend to use. First, I'm using the blue eyeshadow we used on the lid, and then the green for the outer part of my lid. That way there's a gradient effect from the blue to the green. For my inner tear ducts, this is NYX jumbo pencil in milk again, and I'll be popping on the yellow color I used in the upper part of my crease on my inner corners. For my highlights, I'm using a random bronzer. I do not know the name of this bronzer, and I'm just highlighting the parts of my face I want to stand out. I'm spraying my face with the NYX matte finish spray, and then to the lips. For the lips, I'm using the Zaron lip pencil in cappuccino. You could use any lip pencil at all as long as it's brown. Basically, when it comes to makeup, you mustn't exactly use the products that I use or the products that you see your favorite YouTubers use. If you use anything, you always achieve the same result as long as the colors are the same. And for my lips, after lining, I went in the same bronzer I used on my cheeks, and there you have it, guys. I love how this look turned out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.